Hello, and welcome to this Proctor Library tutorial. My name is Jack Daniels, and I'm the Teaching and Learning Librarian here at Flagler College. This tutorial is going to cover how to find a book using the library's discovery search. The Proctor Library's collection of books includes both digital e-books and actual bound volumes, most of which are located on the second floor of the library. I'll demonstrate how to look for books by a particular author first, then I'll have a go at finding books on a particular topic. Along the way, we're likely to turn up more results than just books, since we'll be using the library's discovery search interface. So you'll be able to come back to the library's website at a later time to explore on your own. So to begin our search, I'm going to suggest you click on the blue Discovery hot link at the library's homepage. Once you get to this page, I suggest now you click on the Advanced Search interface. Under the Advanced Search interface, we have three search fields that we can use. I'm simply going to blow open this menu and click on Author. I'll put my cursor in the search field here. I'm going to type in the name of a German author, Jürgen Moltmann, and then I'll click Search. The first thing to notice on this results page is that we're looking at 1 through 30 records of 1,531. Scroll down just a little bit. You can see the title of a book here, Jürgen Moltmann's name, the publisher, and right here you can see the location of the book. It's on the second floor, and the call number, BV4647.J68, etc. If you continue to scroll down, you notice that there's several other entries. Here's another book, On Being Human, by Jürgen Moltmann. Like the first one, it's on the second floor, and its call number is a little bit different, BT701.2, etc. So, with the title of the book in hand, and the call number and location, you should be able to go up to the second floor and easily find the book. If you scroll back up to near the top of the page, and look on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice here, source types. What this tells us is that 753 of our 1,500 plus results are reviews, 331 of them come from academic journals, and 287 of them are books. Because we're looking for books, I'll go ahead and check that box. And when you check it, the search is done over again, only showing the results for books. All right, now let's conduct a search looking for books on a particular topic. I'll go up to the New Search button here in the upper left-hand corner. Click it. Again, I'll click the Advanced Search hot link here, just so I have more of a database to work with. And up here, I'm going to type in a subject, eschatology. And I'll click Search. Now these are some pretty interesting results. We have 25,462 results with the subject, with the open search for eschatology. If we go over here, blow open the menu, limit our search to subject terms only, and click Search, this number drops down to 19,000. You scroll down a little bit, you have a research starter, which is a short article on eschatology from Salem Press Encyclopedia. If you continue to scroll down And then look on the left-hand side. Again, you see the source types from our search. Because we're looking for books, I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Now we have 613. And you'll notice here's a book, Night Comes, written by Dale Allison, published by Erdman's Publishing Company. It's located on the second floor, and here's its call number. You can continue to scroll through and see several other books that are about the topic of eschatology. And you can find their location, their call number here, and where they're located in the library there. Finally, I'm going to show you how to contact a librarian. If you need any help, you go to our homepage here, click on Need Help, Ask a Librarian, and you can email us with this form. All the librarians will get that email. You can give us a call using that phone number, or you can, of course, come to the library and visit us at the Ask Here desk. So this concludes the tutorial on finding books at the Proctor Library. Good luck with your research, and happy hunting for information.